Hey Layla,
Oh, hi.
are you going to be in town this weekend?
Yes, I will be here. I haven't had anything scheduled yet, so do you have some good suggestions?
We were wondering if you would like to come to Alina's birthday party.
Yeah, sounds great. And will it be at your house?
No, the party will be at the Chicken Star.
Will everyone be purchasing with some food?
The food will be provided.
Okay, then I only have one question left. What should we wear? Should we do some makeups or do our hairs?
I don't even know. Wear whatever you want.
Sounds like we will have a great time. So if you figure out more details, please send me a message. I'll be there on time.
Cool, see you.
See ya. Bye.
The candles are ready. The cake is ordered. Oh, hey Altanai.
Oh, hello.
What are you doing this weekend?
I don't have any big plans.
We are putting together a birthday party for Alina.
Oh, that sounds like fun. Where will it be?
Oh, we thought it would be great to have a party at her favorite place.
Oh, great. I think that the dress is casual.
Yes, dress casually.
Just text me the time and date and I'll be there.
Okay.
Bye.
Dustin, do you have plans for the weekend? Saturday is Alina's birthday, and we are throwing a party for her.
Sure, I could come to her birthday. Where are you going to have it?
It is going to be at her favorite cafe.
That sounds like a fun. Is it a potluck?
No, we will make an order.
The dress should be casual.
Yes, but not a black tie for sure.
Okay, have you picked a present for her?
No, but I was going. Do you want to join me?
Sure.
Okay, what do you think? What we should get her?
I don't know, I know that she likes reading.
Yeah,
I think get her a present.
maybe a book.
Yeah.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Hi. Hi. Have you been waiting for long?
We just arrived a few minutes ago.
Layla's supposed to come, isn't she?
Yes, she is. Oh, there. Hey, Layla, come here.
Nice to see you all here. I'm so sorry I'm late. Hope I'm not late that much.
Oh, you're just in time. Relax.
Thank you.
Hello guys, do you have a birthday party today?
Yes, we
Here's
have.
your drink.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Enjoy your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, guys, where is this?
There's birthday girl is coming.
Oh,
Hi guys.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, guys. I'm so happy to see you all.
We got some presents for you.
Oh, what is this?
It's a purse.
Oh, it's really good. I love it.
Okay, now it's my turn. Open it.
Oh, it's really big. I'm so excited.
You're welcome.
Oh, it's hat.
Yeah, it is.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I like it. Okay, now this box. Huh. What is this? These are headphones. Thank you. They are really cool. You're welcome.
Next, my present.
What is this? Is this a book?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, thank you. It's really the book, the one that I wanted. Oh, this song is my favorite song. Let's go dance. Let's go.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can. And you?
No, I can't.
Let me show you how to dance.
Okay.
Let's go.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that.
Birthday. Birthday. Cake. Cake. Candle. Candle. Balloon. Balloon. What is this? What is this? What is that? What is that? Party. Party. Weekend. Weekend. Fun. Fun. Gift. Gift. Celebrate. Celebrate. Headphones. Headphones. Purse. Purse. Song. Song. Dance. Dance. Order. Order. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Best wishes. Best wishes.